In this video, we are going to take a look at this vintage radio, Philips Prestige. It has got 4 bands, software 1 and shortwave 1, shortwave 2 and shortwave 3. And those are the controls: switch plus tone, volume and band selection. The tuning control. The dial plate is made of glass. That is a view of the rear of the radio. You have got sockets for aerial, pickup and loudspeaker. That is the model number 15RB525, made in India. And also we have got voltage adjustment possibility from 230 to 205 volts. And you can see that the physically the condition is okay on this side. Some chipping at the corner. But the veneer is quite lost at the other side of the radio. Now we're going to open the back cover of the radio and have a look inside. So that is the view of the inside. We can see the electrolytic capacitor behind and the tubes, the power transformer and the loudspeaker. We can see that the speaker is damaged. That is the magic eye. The overall condition is quite good. Now we are going to take the valves out. That's the EZ80 rectifier. That is the EC881. Then we have EBF89 and ECL82 output pentode. And we have the magic eye inside is EM81. The tuning knob is working. We can see that the capacitor is rotating. This cover and see the circuit. This is the bottom cover, and the chassis are held on to the cabinet by these 4 screws. So that is a view of the circuit inside.
So friends, continuing with the electrical restoration of the radio, here is the chassis out of the cabinet, and we have change this electrolytic capacitor. Here it is. uh, this one is a 32 by 32 microfarad 300 volt DC capacitor, and the date code here is 15/9/1974. So this was manufactured in 1974, and so we guess that the radio was also from the same year, 1974. So at some point this capacitor leaked and it exploded, and all the electrolyte came out from here. So this capacitor, we have changed it with two individual 50 microfarad for 50 volt capacitor. They are right there. And once the capacitors are changed, the radio started working. Here it is. We have switched on the radio. The indicator lamps are glowing, and অযথা ঝুঁকি নেবেন না, ডাকঘরে স্বল্প সঞ্চয় প্রকল্পে টাকা রেখে here we are listening to some station on the broadcast band or medium wave band. हावड़ा स्टेशन पहुंचने की सूचना and since we know that the radio is from 1974 and it's fairly new, uh, most of the components on this radio are good. They need not be changed. Also, we are not going to do any alignment on this because it is receiving the stations quite clearly. Here is the speaker. As you can see, it has got large holes on the speaker cone, so that definitely needs to be repaired. We have not decided what to do with this. We can just patch these holes and we can go from there, or we can change the complete cone. So we'll decide what to do. Also, we are going to restuff this can capacitor with two 33 microfarad capacitor. And here is the back cover. You can see it is in very good condition and nothing needs to be done regarding this. The frame of the chassis was painted with a primer and then painted with a silver paint. You can see here. And it has been reconed. The speaker has been installed inside the cabinet, and the chassis has also been installed, and the restoration of this radio is complete. In between, I was not able to record all the steps because I lost the footage. Apart from the electrolytic capacitor, none of the components were changed. All the components are okay.
Panca sapat so narinan, kotiran na को जागरूक करने के लिए चलाए जा रहे 10 दिन के जनसंपर्क अभियान के तहत भारतीय जनता पार्टी के अध्यक्ष और गृह मंत्री अमित शाह
أنا تجديد باكستان بس إندونيسيا خلينا
Ser número 1 ao 2.
توییت منتشر کرد و نوشت در صورت تهدید شهروندان یا منافع ایالات متحده
Om ooit als het sport en vergo giftig.
إذا بدل يفضوه
ও বিপক্ষে আলোচনার সভা বিশেষ করে রাজামশাই যখন এই সভা ডেকেছেন আসলে ন্যায়রত্ন সপ্ততীর্থ